Hello friends and welcome back to the Recognition channel. So friends, today I will talk about BIOSTAR EdgeComp MS-J6412 IPC for edge computing application. So friend, BIOSTAR has announced a new industrial PC with a powerful new addition to its EdgeComp series built specifically for industrial automation and edge computing application. Designed to excel in demanding industrial settings, EdgeComp MS-J6412 combines powerful performance, energy efficiency, and versatile connectivity in a compact friendly design. Elkhart J6412 SoC, a quad-core processor with speed up to 2.6 GHz and ultra-low 10-W TDP, and the system ensures stable round-the-clock operation with minimal heat generation and silent performance. Its embedded architecture makes it ideally suited for space-limited and noise-sensitive environment where reliable is paramount. So friend, it includes an M.2 Key-M slot 2242 and 2280 for high-speed NVMe and SATA storage, and M.2 Key-B slot with SIM card support 4G and 5G connectivity, and Mini-PCIe slot for Wi-Fi and Bluetooth module expansion with support for dual 4K display, and the system is ideal for advanced HMI application and enable robust flexible wireless connectivity for smart factory and IoT development. So friend, it has a 4-COM port for connecting a wide range of industrial machinery and peripherals, while dual Intel 2.5 gigabit LAN port provide fast, stable network throughout, essential for real-time data processing and precise control. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.